am the king.
Ready. I'm ready. This is my national park. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
na waseche Sompa 931 na wa like no wa share no bia nya bia hwe nya bia tie wo adwenkyere bia wasem bisa bia de to a ye beje brebe kenkan ye be ya no eso adi ama o sharonsa no 9 ye be sori enkonwa so esi nkonwa se wi a dwumadie ne a eto din shootout na ye fisem nko a nsem edi atenantwe wo man Ghana mu ha ne mpatam ene ne ntwolo so ene ye de airbro ye be hwe ene frimpo manso ne press conference no tanobo fakwa ye be di nkoma fi ho na ya hwe medema ene dream service na otwa wie wo CAF interclub competition omugina akono ni nyina ne be di ho enkomo medin di Lutakin obeti Michael Asaribodunka Michael Akomiade Sports Mizaya abetenenka ena Jeffrey Asari the Apostle production here Ricardo Varas Nas Kramona Prince Ebobome man omuna ebuame di dwumade di abro sanso na ne the guest our join production team no Manchester United kokote masses eno DJ Saki ono so ebuame di dwumade e di abro na mom sha no so say dwumako bia da Roma ne dro awia sombo e chidom ema ye di dwumade eba ebeda o mepa cho showdown walk no baso showdown walk eno ye akompreko e Japan honorable Adumduma said you say MPP Super Delegate Conference no moyama no man ye fe no jide ma passe November mu mo be say esi no so be endorse no be franka tuni dia ma MPP amanyuko no enu nti o say oba be showdown work one na dofo ene ni team ne supporters nyina no eba aba be work mo be nante to mountain so ama bia so aye kama na enu na ye be ko no enya frefre kobo na honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan eso no mo beye ni nyina no say obia be hye atade a ni mfonyini eda animu there's a Kennedy mfonyini eda animu na sa t-shirt no pa bi ato a Sompa na oba benya bi ato your run neck your v-neck ho eno che one che eso ho the cap anyone mark eso ho ni nyina ba Sompa ye dwuma mo reception a obenya bia ma bia so aye kama say wo achichi ne bencheye anasa opeso busa bibifa eye showdown walk na ebeba so na betuma friend number 0278 369494 0278 369494 ofrebe jo so bia ye kama na mepa cho hye no so ese we die Sompa afibia ne ye de ba Sompa sika promotion no mepa cho ye de bro na eno no de se Sompa se ya ma wo hwe TV no kwa na ya ma wo ntie radio no kwa ubetia we TV na nya sika be sikani eno ntie de nhyehyɛ bi aba nhyehyɛ na ye de aba no ni nyina ene se obekɔ ni sei 5 Ghana cities and Audi etwa na 5 Ghana city na Audi twa no ubetimi enya be 20,000 Ghana cities ubedi na enhyehyɛ no se na city o fa phone na what dial sa short code way star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na watimi adale o dale to all networks short code na mpacho Sompa stations na miensa ya Sompa Kumase ya Sompa Sunyane 98.9 and ya Sompa Nkranza 90.7 and ya Terra 1 TV and ya Sompa TV and ya Sompa FM 93.1 enti ubo ukode na star 256 star 3 hash na station no say Sompa Kumase say Sompa Nkranza say Sompa Sunyane say Terra 1 TV say Sompa TV na wa select two station no unya entape onbema o take it bi sa take it no eno ena be boaw ama wanya kwanya say 5 cities na odi twa de obetwa bia na ye to 5 Ghana cities eno be boa mo wetimanya sika bambala sika tele be 20 Ghana cities ama bia so aye kama na opanyini wo ha obenya adaja chire mu kakra eso edama DJ Saki opanyina kwaba
ya eja ya nua
Beba cho Sompa sika promotion chire mu kakra senete
we dey say ye ji adwa So you can't Sompa Sika promo or say Jedra.
And then can I mean so
Sompa Sika promo.
Jedra.
Sompa Sika promo.
Jedra.
Nice one. Eti say what's your favorite show? A morning show. And our sports. And I say a 7 penny pa. We stand a chance of winning. The here say 5 CDs. What chat? Which me trying to be say ya which me a chance so ba be I then the nya baako we baako no any me twagum wa as friends say ohini ni o say same wa it twagum wa now definitely win a chance. It's at the end of the show no e be draw no na say udia sika bocho telebi a opes ke bi pa hye de ayade
mama na fa me
it ni say eye dia
asase ne ya na
onyambo a echna
ka be twa me de esi
o dabi nya we tre and also a full-time sports also yeah friends
Shootout FM a full-time 9:30 to 12
nice one
okay
until you free adofo no say sa shows here mabo
until fan say sports ye shase na wa shase twa ye ba be sori no na ya draw no
until show no me ense nyina no
morning show sports asem penipa okay
until we say we dey very simple as I tell you dash no. It is going to rain money. Sika ebesu say ya enti masa you who film also found shame na ye je edwa Sompa Sika promo
ye je dwa
Sompa Sika promo
ye je oh some ye de nwomo ba
ai oh watch
maybe dwa Sompa oh child now Sompa chade no so ebeba so last year mo ye man ye fe
oh yes
na fi so Sompa chade no ebrasia so biem on sa fe so sa na ye wo nyanka ye wo kunafo na kunani bedidie ejanka bedidie obata nanim de no ba bedie enti de onni bie no Sompa ye no mienu fato ho se ye beche o ma de amom so bronya no masere enu ntino enhyehyɛ no say sika anasa akyɛde a obia no say ye atare say ye mo say ye anwa tomato ana tomato no ye wo de o sachet paste na konkum no bi bia aje odo akom ensam no de ba ti do benya bia no Mr. Saki so timi de ba okay
and last year omo ba ye no be dia dance trodododo nti enche obehwe Sompa TV no so a ye promo no we twagu bete adansi dia ebaye omo amunya mo in fact yama equal say mo anasa anwa kwa o yes I disika title because now intimi nkofa da ko farms e ma ha intino ye ma sika now de hot akoko inti amanfo dibronya ne papa this year there say dia yes
asre
na mo promo no o say we cross Sompa sika promo no twa na waje now the dwa is a Christmas no jai
Sompa chow no ma eya wa wutiem no de no ma ba na ye dia ma kunafo ne awisia ne nyanka
nice one
na wasan obeje wo no ma no na wase atwa sika ni bi
o say so utwa na say onye sika na obetimi ade aye akyede ama kunafo ne nyanka na onyankopon ahira wo because your testimony o enche ye gba mo ate
Bible so mamu nhira sene oje enu ntine nhyehyɛ no say ba bia wo bia no enyame pa Sompa empanyimfo yi ato ese se wo ye kunani a obetimi abetwere odin wo ye janka betimi abetwere odin eye 1st November ekosi eye 21st December ene ye de twere odin no na ba bia wo bia no wo sunwane a nkranza ba bia Sompa wo no obetimi akọ nkranza Sompa no wo GBC Adana GCB Ghana Commercial Bank Abdana mu ena sunwa no so ewo night market wa ena Kumasi so de any room hotel ena die no hwe se bibi wo ho na person be charge a anase o asem bibisa number is 0598 559802 0598 559802 eswa na se ubetimi du momo afaso na edino Terra One Media na say wachede bia person de che nyanka nwisia no ene akunafo na de afaso de aba
chama meko
DJ Saki
da mbaka amrabat ho asem na mon frère me meba
yeah that's DJ Saki
nice one
DJ Saki no sukuma lewa
DJ Saki
Kokotema Sesman
say ada no kotema nyumu my release me na ne ma hye no
oh that
onim so betima
na baba obi aso ti grandma nim na baba obi asoro se mfrenante
etifo me
say nyum to for ho a wo saki yam fa anya hwe eno idea te enche na ye de nsam no egu form eso e de amamo na mum 21st clinic say enkan chiro say omo ye de expert ba sciatica ometu ase e de amamo sciatica ya de no adodo na nkokom e ko to ase wonam na so anya bibi mu anso a untimi nko wanya babi antena ene obetwa ahwe ni nyina no say sciatica na ache uko 21st clinic a ometu ase eye fraud ameno achi ya de bia no omude bibidro ena esa ntifa hokọ omasoye na yentu yade ahodo ase ema nurses ne doctors ho a oma binom de akrokro na ye adwuma kuma se omo enwe overseas omo be alpha radio saso na sunwane omo ewo ho omo won kranza omo techiman saso na piem obo asa cancer court Johnson wa obehu omo na eya crash do market no omo from 0540 311 bibia enye kama emfama mizo drink ene mizo fruit drink no na enkwe fruit drink eboni pedua on say what did you na kwa fruit drink no yes sweet after meal na say bibia e kama no na mizo fruit drink no flavors na e kama your pineapple your mango na onya bia no nom eno chi mizo 5G so ho eno ya adwuma no wabre saa so na ho no ani ha wada wa ye bote wa ebuhu onya mizo 5G ni bebe bo akesefo no ebe na ne srade ni nyina so e de amamon frɛ number ni ya mero bi bebia obi na ton no nyamfa so bebre 0246270221 0246270221 na bibia enye kama emfama maami abe heba clinic say odia bibidro say ade say eye etware ade say eye low sperm count prostate cancer hepatitis diabetes malaria to crab da audition akoma ho or bacterial infection enam ya de bay and wakwakote eno achi no stomach ulcer saso na hernia ena eye koko de na dumankani obabosom so na bu nsa mojan emaye ni nyina ya abe heba clinic no ho eno betu ase da ma sickle cell no onu kwane bia ya ene ayaresabia obetime tu ase eso de ma o kuma se tano so patrapa new site obe patrapa junction fra beheba clinic mamia be 0243 345392 0243 345392 and 0506 460208 ofrena ye bejo so na bibia eso aye kama akomia the sports mizaya atenasene mum nsema odo a ya boaboa no yemfagu from emfa emamo yensha se emfree eye amankwamreku nsema amankwamreku dia todwa se otu Ghana e players no for say kwawei ene e fa so ebetumanya the best from Ghana e players no yenta amankwamreku
players no ejuma no mo ye no do they have kind of an assurance bia e down bechi a sebi amankwamreku say 50-50 mina ko remu a na mina ebu a ebi make me didi ada ewo ho eni ho. So what I'm trying to say, at least basically, near the two boots, near the emergency, I can't find social security in my place. Na omunya hotoso. Na okomwa or the ni fool akum. Na mumran ko say, eh ade kra ade ami ye na dwinsa yen tanta. Bible so say adwo yen tanta enyare. So for me who say I don't idea about I was say yetimi ye na ye ma ye sikasem in terms of the salary, in terms of the bonuses, the signing on bibia no emu peja na sponsors no because now no but you see me can now players they so mo omunyo madwin ye because ejuma ye now football is about players, football is not about anybody, and therefore they need to raise up their performance. I know that sponsorship
eno ensama jawa amankwamreku eso editu dwa former heart of folk omo a player na eno achi no no sade afuto we ema a players no ese emu odene na so munyintum
ma ye players no nyo ma chi say ene no bebi awiase edu no ha ne wo enyema wo hu ano ye wo mutumu etenya afa na oba beye ejuma ti se ne o ye ejuma Europe, and therefore ana make us me nkase komu di waye na mo me so gitum say ahana ya wo me atuna me bobo no de come be me I was gitum me nka say yo but I was gitum a ana enu na de e motivate am say jabi kale ahana enya ntima me nya dwumaden na me free mu nko you see
eno ensama amankwamreku di tudwa edema local players no na hearts of folk coach efan Kopman akasa for hearts of folk omu injury situation no yente said okano
the players who are injured they are also injured from last year and they're still coming back, and Linda is on the way back. and Enoch is coming back. So, yeah, the players who are not there, it's a pity, but they're fighting back, and that is the new thing in Hearts of Oak. We play on Thursday, also friendly matches, so they come back in such games, and that's good for them. They get also rhythm in playing serious games, and so we put it in on every Thursday, friendly games for substitutes and for players who coming back from injury. So yeah, that's good news for them. Look.
I know I am some or the two guys watch him say how to folk no say and say omo ewo any friendly games outdoor or master say omo ball and watch him with the na yanko Dreams FC nyame pa na wotwi awie ewo second leg ewo CAF Confederation Cup omo APM ewo Morocco omo ewo Morovia ewo Liberia na omo ne Kaloon for e de akwa so ene ya team no atimi afri omo ayi ma omo pm ewo Morovia Liberia na omo ne Kaloon Stars e de akwa so ahwa ma bibia eso atimi ayi kama enu Dreams FC eno chi no omo nuanom mediama so CAF Champions League omo so no kwa akwa Guinea any Horoya AC at the appearance or second leg no for a omo game and an omo born wa no lesson couldn't be quadima omo second leg no so say koso e wo gini intimidiama eso eko akwa kusi akan no edi fro eba na yenwuram ewo coach efena kwasi apia anopai mikinya adadwo tip off so ekirekire mu bebri e de kire wo se sedie okwakwe technical director e de ama eye Sudan omo national team no ama anopai de nhihye bebri by say eye goalkeepers a trainer ba ko be free Ghana ha ba saso na fitness coaches no ba ko be free Ghana ha ko ene nkirekire mu bebri na nana kwa me dankwa eso no etimi ekirekire mu for the deal no
coach James kwesi up to down control no amana kwan se si ene fo bi to ohene wo ohene me no ka se uni Ghana ti omo to ano abrochi ama omo akoy meeting e de akoto ohene ni mama kwesi a point na ne se yes Sudan for needing come he believes say a professional coach obetimi aye adwuma ne de abo abaden for two for near Santima de Juma Bishan, so he can only accept Sudan for no offer no for Santima Amani Quanti or Nimpen for it. Say Emma or Henia me drew feed the he said, Mokwam Mokushiano Bruce, Momedia Cotton him, Amanane, Nimpen for so Aja to say Aquasibiti Miako, no Aqua Sudan, Juma Nemum, Kotoko Juma or the sharing son, when you're free in Sa, or would you do anymore? Say if he continues to stay around. The name there and this year Huna Wenya with me the boa current IMC away you am some fanya kotokono enti Sudan they were shana kose obetimi akọ enti onko na onko adwuma na mo money rent fi say ode na kadwuma ku bi ana bebia ku bi hu ofie a mo ye kotoko adwuma enti ba bi owu bia no nkai no ma na so ne da form na ne na nyentitia na omofa ensom kotokoni asantima eno achi nso Ghana Football Association Executive Council akwesi na adwen so obekono so no hia no kwese so onko so no nko na onko hese mpeni for beto abama na nteno so
eno yensama nana kwame dankwa okrobia kumasa sante kotoko wade maye uramu kotoko National Circles Councilor on a first vice chairman ochirichirimu ede emaye ahead of anase o dealer coach James Kateche kwesiapia kwakopiem Sudan eno yede ba na mpa Sunday ebo 6 pm e Baba Yara Sports Stadium krobia kumasa sante kotoko ene Karela ene de pem so anopa yedidi nkomo bebre ye na Abubakar Damba Edin common assistant yana say assistant coach Edima Karela and yabusa sana yim say Karela de nkamusimu akan wo nyinase de na see said de tamale na musi akan
we free Western region and nyinase no enye yete na e de free ho me say you teach no club license or more to because we had a lot of challenges and it will take time to fix it. And the best place for us, in terms of the transition, the northern part of Ghana, where Okita Team the owner of the team, Honorable Haruna Jesu, maybe our fee, and of course, your comfort zone, that place, the atmosphere is good, it is great. And also, a half fee yɛtete wɔ ha. And as you are aware, no, RTU and a boy, we still have a very cordial relationship with the RTU team and also the fans and supporters and the whole, your friend is saying, community.
Enu yansama ora damba editu dwa ochirechim dentia enam sama Karela afri enyinase akopiem ewo Tamale na yenwram uram wo chabia Eastern Region eho na Women Premier Super Cup no koso na ukopiem a so far say ene city ewo ampem Dakoa ladies ene o Dreams ladies ena Northern ladies Supreme ladies ene ye Northern zone no na uram so a ye Southern zone ene Hazakes ladies ena Army ladies ena Faith ladies ena Berry ladies omo na so far omo ko compete ewo Women's Premier Super Cup 2023 ewo Chebi na urama no na Dr. Kingsley Ajman akasa ediafa Women's Premier Super Cup no yenten small di tuja
he to be on and the political maker of Ghana's history in the JB down center the Women Premier Super Cup will be held in Chebi from the 29th of September to the 8th of October this year. Everybody should be there. This is about women empowerment. And yours truly, Dr. Kingsley Ajman. With my huge support for women empowerment, me and my team will be there. We're very grateful to the organizers of this sporting activity.
Ochina ena dwumadie no shase eno edifro eba na owie na Honorable Samuel Atachia eso kasae efa dwumadie no.
I am very excited as a member of parliament for Abakwa South. We are hosting the Women's Premier League at Chebi, the constituency headquarters. I think we'll give every support to this very laudable activity, for the simple reason that we cannot know how this will going to give us an international exposure and the kind of benefit that will be inured to this very country in the area of sports.
And you Honorable Samuel Atachia as the tuga for a Women's Premier Super Cup. Ebe tuga nyame pachina ewo Chebi Eastern Region and Okasafa. Na ye wie kura no ye de to anim se enna anopai duba akon owura mo sunwane a tano bofakwa eye omo press conference eno na coach afen Frimpong Manson ene eye omo vice captain fen Emmanuel Kobi ene coach German Central for Ekasaye yenten sama coach Frimpong Manson edituja
the number of games on the back to this succession. Maybe it's the first two games maybe I'm and I said date back to last season and I said I don't know. So for me I know the yes, maybe the zone when you clips will be okay and maybe more chance for the casa. But then I think for us we've taken notice of so many things. Mistakes occur in the last game. I think we've done a lot of correction. So yes.
And we some coach Frimpong Manson, my younger SO editor ahead of Yami past Saturday gamer. Bofakwa Tano any heart of folk Edibepim so. We and vice captain at Oye goalkeeper friend Emmanuel Kobi. SO can say.
As a player, like, we are new to this. So we are doing our score best. As a player, you don't have to play some matches. You have people are playing, especially big teams like Katuku. So we are always pretend like we play very well. And the league is motivating with people or? Yeah, seriously. I'm very excited that Bakatan is on top of the league because it has been a while that we go to place like that. And you hope to maintain the position after the game. Sure. Thank you.
And we are some vice captain goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobi so editu dwafa Bofakwa team no ho eno no Michael Akomiare Sports Messiah atna say Michael Asaribodu so ha media diluta in production no nas Ricardo Varas Prince Ebobome omne eboame di dwumadi na bro Akomia.
Yes, Luther. My enchantment for Nemo Makwaba. My mission is in Fibo. First of all, my more your clubs number so initiative no ma chance no more with pre-match no money so and some of these things is not cost effective kakra because what arrangement you do, the venue you use on say no most of the clubs in the know training centers one man as more or less they have key places one kasa dia multimedia but you look at these clubs on one kasa ni training centers and some of these clubs on one kasa only on one kasa stadium. Now, also high baby normally it comes with a cost, but it is worth it. CPC league need to be tumpon, need to be and some of these things entice supporters to come to the stadium many a times. And Oba onim do catching into Oba stadium. Oba heard that particular encounter between these particular sides. So they be no bit makoye their momo. And this is actually also a big game between House of Folk and Bofakwatano. I think say their faces crying demeanor and a crampona. They say they are much into this game. They are waiting. Say such big games set me in the league. So it's a plus for most of the clubs. I've seen for Bofakwa, I've seen for Kotoko, I've seen for Hearts of Folk.
Okay.
So far, Momi and Sana Behunu, my name is Wahunu Fufrobia Kamodia. Mike, media maso
mandatory requirement
for this season, right? Okay, then that is very good. They are very good.
Last season, but when it goes, I think
this season I was almost sure.
But said they asked for Masia Shas, and so and said they no more Kunino, a man a
mama for Stadium.
It is either you do a pre-recorded one.
Yeah.
Okay.
They said they ask for a coach Abekasano, or you organize a press conference. The media comes. No matter this has been part of a year requirements that are there. But most of the clubs are mubo when it goes. But I think this time around, in Penifasha, almost say you must do it.
Okay.
Because and I don't know about much of a domba. Now, what's your demo your training? You don't care about stakeholders. You don't care about anything. Times one was send the jingle say I'm bored. Charlie, I
think say to improve the power of the stadium now, and then Bofakwa we see. Then to number 2, Amankwamereku. I don't know, Mike. We want Amankwamereku the 3. Say our players should accept. Say system now the economy near Bobo sanity. No one you know more number, but part time many jim we pan say, and yes, or support to say, Luther. And yet 2 days ago, you are near discussing the same particular issue. It's players, no. Wajiatum or more.
Sompa FM.
Onion near Sisino. You see, there are genuine situations. I was a summary, so you pay closer attention to. Just because something that is not good in Tino, young fan is if you hear fan buy. Luther, just because it's a obisubanya, you see, I say what to tell Aklana be say. Once an abandoned and party as non in a moncunas, now was a sassamo. O Capusam, I mean, say, me banner the son or two. Munyano.
That's one Timina from she.
You see, Abasha Bonnie. What I say? Abasha Bonnie, can the system do better? Yes. System do better than Romuyan say na. Yes, the system can help and we can do things better. But the moment is I don't know more Yanankasan, what Jatum say enye. Nasto na no opposite players I accept this I do it and then to be good to and then it's a huge also there are 2 different ways of one time in the footballers in the city here. What you say? There's a big difference. Now no any Malik Jaber crampo dim common we go to Malik Jaber as okay. Also no do maybe no nyes Kenya to taxi in any other day adwuma ma no. Because obobo ni wi anchenchen obi so be pek akra dey e dey
Oba say na no said na o kan yenim guys be local here. Almost kakra no matimi e dey
invest. So the system can do much more better than what we are seeing now. The Premier League clubs ni betima better. Now the fact say obi twa obi ka 300 cedis no ntena se anye 300 cedis na no accept abra yenim se club no ska won ho a obetimi atwa bia be 500 cedis and be 1000 dey player. You see, as a professional football Ghana here, Obo Premier League won't try player $100 a month. Won't you see?
And let me say dollar rate there say.
I find a 10 cedis flat. It's like $100.
11 point something.
It is a 11 cities kra na say
110,001.
Yeah.
So $110. Ultimately, ultimately, everyone understands that the economic factor of Ukraine team Nyoman Shedan to 2 years. What you say? And we are preaching for a level of professionalism in our league. Say we can compete. We've done some past mistakes. We've not been able to push. And then a Tanzania club, maybe obetime say, I wonder how you wanna. Guinea, how you wanna. And answer more or less, no better check. Say, grow bembe Ethiopia money at the how you wanna. We are not in the economy to determine that. But from a new man, yes, you can kind of how our man for the economy grow, BDA peja, BDA jina, BDA seni nana. Some of them are even do all making sure some bit my home plays. Me say Division 1 club, ain't me trying to play a $110. I mean, many problem. Say Division 1 club, ain't me trying to play a car $50. Some way somehow, make me a back a car. Say Division 2 club, ain't me trying to play a car, it be a $50. One way or the other, no, make me na drink a car. What did they mention? But at the premier level, where it is the top class league in terms of your football, you're running. I'm saying, Mike Mude, Komokase Komo Shembra. I am for financial terms. I'm saying, league in the Kibina class 4 and I trade.
Premier League, they are not minimum wage in your Juma.
Minimum wage, you got to I say. Wage, you got to.
And you see, I know Komosebi, I love it.
That be kwaku.
A boy ma yet me situate the ideal from the reality.
Sompa FM.
Ghana as a country, there were serious issues that need fixing with labor and the reward. Ejuma woye ene ho aketua. Welfare no, the well-being of the average Ghanaian worker. Well-being no measure nitrim psychologically or mental, and then physical well-being. Luther, so what kasa wo ranking you me ku e Ghana he nyina e move 5% to penny me as the way. How many times now we adwuma out me leave? Is there something like a vacation in the Ghanaian labor structure?
I mean, trying to yantiana bear month mammy for by Zoom lion for
me yendru or more kitty assembly crab make a well-being. Welfare won't send na make up but me basic assem. Well-being a maker. We are in a country that has neglected the various issues and what's the average can tell you. So omode e be by say yes, say 10% of Ghanaians, say 2.4 million Ghanaians are mentally ill. A baby, I'm no more. Baby, and yes, what but
I do understand.
But almost every Ghanaian I'll be share the piano or mental issues dealing with. Exactly. Obin to me can ask like not all people are bold enough to tell you what they are going through. But Sankanyanko Pon Yen say. No you will know that every individual you meet, no matter where, say a say a street mu, say a jumem, obia was psychological issue or battle.
Then you can commit to from now a Bruni Johnson in a pressure. And so ultimate share will be now sharing any man, one Kasa and Kasawa Shada.
Debbie,
maybe I need to win because I was sharing pressure.
Exactly. So yes, 2.4 million Ghanaians are dealing with mental issues. I'm about down on manam. So we need serious a serious look at this. And here the psychological part too. Now and also now, so I dream bra. Now only pediana so abre. Na train yare, na train issues with your body, and so they brew. Yempia non tonchain. Yambra into the monetary aspect. Now me say I'm finding the current minimum wage in farmer minimum akomi saying daily minimum wage obetimi nyama.
Okay.
14
now 14 cities no multiply by
30.
Debbie, we don't work 30 days in a month. There were 5 working days,
which is
5 times 4 ASN
20.
So 14 times 20.
I could may say
14 times 20.
20.
Okay. 14 times 20. 280 cedis minimum wage a month.
Intimate will be 300 cedis. It's above the minimum wage. I feel what in common I say. Tina Mobo boy be say easy, sir. Ghana as a country needs to fix the minimum wage structure. Then we are near the reward structure. Here we don't pay for hard work. We rather pay for people be idling around the workplace. You see, Brejuma 6.5 and yes 6 ne 5 na me I can come and work 3 hours pay. And I will just consume time because me try my 5 and I born my pong. But the say you are working for every hour and only a day mark you. Enti hour be hour you may be an check here near take it. And you'll be paid based on the hours that you worked. That is productivity.
Good.
And yes, remember you might match 5 na me pon a 4 5 on coffee. As how much me buy ana me ye medjuma wia meto se me nya hwe we are see we are see now me the earpiece asema so obi nya ne bi kwa na meto na meti. So your kind of a reward structure no, it does not reward for hard work and then smart working. Yes, ye here presence and enquire say obetina adwumam entitina adwumam sa obetina adwumam sa for what?
40 cedis there, $1.40.
Yeah.
But so
I am telling you that say if say no based on hours and there were who odin bedru if akomia the stipulated time also your juma is 6 hours after the 6 hours the number of hours how be your juma can be ano over time and you are paid compensation for that.
Extra duty allowance.
Enti say my ba na my juma 6 hours e bia hana na mewia I can still go elsewhere and do something which can be productive.
And I'm a
me say we have issues with labor here fixing. Now to football in frame and this uncommon send the football for now so mutuye because the football working within the Ghanaian setup. Working within the Ghanaian setup. The Oye football club no. A human will be an investment be na why. Se sika bemwa ano di beba any football club in him. On my name why den businesses are crippling. How do they make money to pay? It is a bit much to bet no more yet or more na. It is because they have to cut corners to make ends meet. So there are serious issues that needs dealing with. Maybe to may implement it and also BIA we have Ghana. In human root 10%, 15% no mutu yasenet.
On the be
good. I have worked for several media houses. Luckily for me, baby I'm a well structured, a corporate structure. But even within that structure, no, there was one particular place I worked. Near to yasenet maybe more, near to yasenet in maybe.
Am I selective?
And yes, selective. Obi wa o je le salary no tabletop.
Okay. I be there for you
because in the kanisa.
Oh.
So I am telling you the reality.
Because me say na me adwuma baby. Na me hwa ka tua na mo ka som de ko bank. Me ka chom se da bia mpene mo mfa nko because o hwe boss me aso no wakeka sem na din a waje. Now ko bank akwaji ska boss me aso o kisa kura check. Now kwa make us sponsor telephone so man
make us story it back sebia ana akwabi ko iska na sika no koyi no sika ni mu edu ana ohia so de akoya de business okoy na lie wom na lie na wom no obi aba be iska na e kanipa be 2 or 3 a o mu di nanim o mu yo mu sika na o mu ko ono so nipa ne che ne time na so anisa no obi so o mu say go now be isa kwali the check la 100 cedi akosi 150 no is cover am no dey borrow say mo ko na le type
What do we about that?
I'm a delay time.
Yeah, me dey akomia ni bidda la.
What delay time? Mo je na mo.
Ai, we na mo
exactly. The American the other basis when they say aketua no enye enough to compensate adwuma na waye ni nyinaa ntu be ye adwuma wie na afi na oto na wo ye calculations football no saa na tie wo saa na tie wo ye football
and a boot football boot at their level my couldn't turn less than 250 Ghana cedis.
Yeah,
I know crown na wanyan you.
You find say we GF dia on what the better one na BBC and sometimes as a professional player and try so be use one boot for both training and official matches. It doesn't help. It's GF dia no crown or the amount you find say GF dia near for match. I also one kasa sunya boot for training. It's a triaka 500 cedis a month as a professional footballer. Mike make us a winning bonus no match no crowd we need put a winning bonus aba. And the 500 no month that's who could trade the boot as in our wide then abe. And no be was your manager. No I draft people be able to him. No one's insane. Was insane way. I was a contract I was a minimum kuta card. Accredited agent bay. Accredited agent bay. Ehia dokroye wo ehia dokroye. Adai.
So the point I am making and they say send your players ne breno clubs na nkasa so brepa.
Oh yes, clubs na misuma.
And to some of these clubs so omaka so mo tenase aka de omunya wo football nim de akyerewa obebi so say ntia de na omako so ye football no
Sompa FM
but enrich here on Nations FC be ball ni first Premier League game boy no share first goal no ba if no good Shootout Stars and a kofa na or boy and san onya akonya na and they obebo Premier League no now imagine say Shootout Stars nini what will happen to Babefi? Obe fine at the end of it. So some of these clubs are struggling but they are still providing platforms for the players to better their lives. Akunya de bom. Na say mema dey na wusu na mba ne come dey chewe. It's easy for people like Amankwamre Kumo and there's some mutua social way na must expose them to the reality. The reality is that Ghana Senate tuano a compulsory. Abain dey na wa ya fa ho. Dey na abain ya fa ho.
Minimum wage here 40 cedis Mike. 280 cedis. What does it say? Na nipa no the same.
So dey na abain ya fa ho. So you better you see and at times what the term common or radio so to TV so okay but metuye yinaya for say let's go to the grounds and have a first-hand experience from some of these clubs. Let them tell you their story. So a cabe na media ma boy or mother call Nigeria no a ball game or mo boy no or mo combine at the same Omokoya, Horoya, Guinea, Aquintry, et the same. Ask the same for Dreams FC. Bisa Mpemdakwa, Bisa Azakes ladies. Nebra local, never share traveling within. It is not easy to run and your players, oh, they am to say, me wo team near Premier League team. Now me to your players, got their flat rate, obi 400 cedis. Players near 30. Multiply 400 cedis by 30. Coach Mbayo. Good. Team no campe. Team ni betu kwan. Yebo match week biya. Inti akwentu say yebo wo feel a day. Yebeto fuel. In a month, football clubs are more Ghana. So a Premier League club. Yeah, football club are more Ghana. In a month, Obo Premier League. Or financial outlay. Sika wuji etuano. It will not cost you less than 60,000 cedis. Or the salaries can one in a month.
Spending not less than 300,000 Ghana
Kotoko was so maybe say on the average they are from one spending cry is 60,000 cedis.
And can it be 600
million? Sika say na wunya yes abosome na ebetimi cover for sa.
And majority also only rely on gate a.
Nipa do say never.
And American.
So the issue is bigger than we see. Enti miminyanka mintua kan yie ma obi ahonto no. Player na nya ball no obo ni yie ama me.
Yes.
Sikana me de man okra sisi no. Tese me twe hwene mu hwin ansana metimi dia ye. So
because division 1 club be president e draw no papa nkola no ye training na obi kura homache na otumoto no opie.
Sir one okay sir wa wadam for ne Fuseni de aba party.
Yes.
Sompa FM
because Esperance
I bisa no
atebe Esperance no mo division 1 na me ben wo mo pa na de o kan nyina me testify
bisa Fuseni ye fa Fuseni Yakubu
right Fuseni
Abubakar bisa no the expenditure omukọ obo ase ekoye campaign Lenkley ne we no and who expenditure for anwes say nya 2 weeks kra asa ombe division 1 league I be saying that ain't alone. Charlie, say ye nyabotra won who just end up becoming people who only talk and don't act. Sure, if we would change the way structure, see better players here and your club owners in common. It starts from the top. Abide there now. Let's change the conversation. Let's change the conversation. Players no more Ghana for. Some of them are breadwinners.
Oh yes.
Obi obo Ghana Premier League. Wow, we a player now bobo wa habia now our family. Oh yeah, miracle worker. So to me hwe we busua. Ehwe wo ma hwe wo yere. Oh yeah, miracle worker. Because kakra na eba on same na say yesu empata na bro no kika bom defeat the same thing na wo
and salaries no scry na a month so video create me come bed there.
So let's take our time and understand the times we are in and the country we find ourselves in. If we are ready to change, nyoma bebre besisa inti dada ye nim say your issues with rent ewo maimu me na me betina radio so nka don't we know that your housing deficit and even for metropolitan areas and as urban areas no now as it stands your serious housing deficit because a dom do na dey to kwan bakrom omo ba dan be no medem when these things happen acquires a demand exceeding supply ebe hike the prices of rent. Inti rent awutia every year bia no bon say there is an upward surge. Peja until last year so wutia abosome 500 cedis if you buy or some 650. Went to obiba. Nipa the go so same dying. Yenim. Don't we know this? Enti yenim say the way is here ya ketu asem no. We need to improve it and change the structure. And you're rewarding enough. Na me na member tina anka se Ghana Premier League players yenti omo ke ye. Na Ghana Premier League players enya Ghana here no mo. Ghana mine mu anka sa wa we ensem troni na anka sa. How is your payment structure like? And sakra na ko Ghana Premier League player so. O mine anka sa na here healing. Let's look at that and solve it. When we solve that, and then the better trickle down our players no so enya so mfa so. Na club owners no omo ye Ghana for to say omo praise ya. Omo so hiambo akra. Let's help them. Kwesi apia.
Can crown me boss no.
Ade wani ba ko hwe to amienu mu a enye yi.
Adentia.
E ka me nko a. He should just recuse himself from GFA Esco way, you know.
Sa on twinu mfrim.
Sudan adwuma na ye adwuma keto a.
You have a whole nation.
Me ye ndi agro. They failed to qualify for the AFCON and they are serious. Some person about the next AFCON in 2025. So they will need him to devote time and commitment. You cannot act as a technical director of Sudan national team and then work as an ESCO member of the GFA if you are elected.
You are serving the interest of two different nations.
And sana we the kotokoswa sanswa ba beka ho. Don't be a man of many way na embekreti problem and fama. Yemfa yeni ba ko hwe to amienu mu manye ye. baako na obeya to hu si wo ye ne ye. If the Sudan deal is financially rewarding, me metena nka say ada no waje kotoko adwuma na okọ Sudan. Chairman, at the end of the day, wo nipa na nkasa dey na e wo say ekoye ma. E bra na wo bo.
Oh yes.
Into wa bra bo no. E wo say wo nya de e bebo wa. And there are some offers which are too good to refuse. Etimi beto wanim ohwa we dear anhwa me jaya. This emfie duachi.
Ono so omo ni dada.
And it offers an opportunity for him to even leave a legacy. Yawo benko fimuni we mo they went to other countries to establish football structures and they have a legacy. Why can't Akwesi Appiah do same for Sudan? And to me man betna nye hypocrite nga say and Akwesi Appiah men ko Sudan nem wow. But I'm only concerned with roles now what the aboso no wan hwe ye pe na fe de djuma okoye ni na no excuse me to say bia na sebe akoye djumasini na afe no ade na was anka wo ye na etumi page na the problem oba and the Akwesi Appiah Sudan technical director na oye part of Kotoko IMC na Kotoko ne ho trainer ye ntwa no ye ni ade ba bet na haka nipa ba ko waji nyoma bebre unko na untumi nya ade na wunyai. We will come and sit here and we will talk about it. Akwesi Appiah ye GFA ESCO member ana oni Ghana ESCO na a meeting ya appointing wo committee bi so he is not physically present. Ye baba bet na haka Brebramba
amane amba
simple. Tna baby na dwen ho kokko ye Sudan adwuma ekurase makama anwe GFS ko no menya nkobio obi bechew. Nobody attacks you. Nobody GFS ko na fe na copy elections no. You just recuse yourself. Jai mbe we afa kura menya kura bi elections ko ehu da kura e ba beto aba no. Tina baby na dwen ko ko adwuma no ohwe na e be ha wo a find a proper way to go about it.
So tina na kwa midam kwa ya o se opim so ni akura but
Okoshia no London. Meaning ade na your present. And it means the Sudan deal emuedu. And it means the Sudan deal no how Ankofonia project omani abre.
Oh yes.
Medical to Twitter. A 14-man technical team. 14-man technical team. They will be Akwesi Appiah ne be domiciled in Saudi Arabia. Then or to Saudi Arabia, why not pedan na mano? Why mo nebetu yanika? Good. So everything he needs will be provided. He's not just going, he's going with 3 other Ghanaian backroom staff.
Fitness coach,
goalkeepers trainer, and a assistant coach. So he's going with okay, Ghana created me appointed number of coaches. Sudan for nim no makofa Morocco ni. Ono na general coach. Akwesi Appiah technical director ometu ne sreni abasa na akika bom so that they want to make a full structure that is functioning. If you don't devote commitment because honor kono onko just as Akwesi Appiah is going there as a Ghanaian coach. Oh, yeah. So he okoda suban bi dia ebetwa sana to also the other Ghanaian coaches.
It will affect us.
Ebimuko okobo ni MBA kwan afa mada other Ghanaian players. The same applies to the coaching. So me, I would love if he concentrates on the Sudan job, forget about the rest, and move on. Now, kokani na bomwa. Jumedi na nam se sunti. Wan hwe afide na baba minimum. Na wentimi anye sene fata. And also there, and the assembly basem so ba. Yesu yebeka.
Meda say Michael Asarebodu, Michael Akomiade Sports Messiah. Yadi jumadi na esia adum na se team kwama china no pa ebo eye 7 at the tip off no ebe brands na 9:30 at the full time no e dia bro midin edilu tech in production no eye nas Ricardo what's my mind
abna hoko
da bia do ayede
so ni abna hoko ko check in Facebook or the Osman Bukari abetuo no the video bi so about called Black Stars Aliza Hotel the last time they were around. Osman. In a video, why a different voiceover? There are 2 videos, and say, "Oko Alisa Hotel, Oko render massage services at the Maobi. Nipano can him into a bema. Some few hours after, or the Osman Bukari picture, I bet one emojis be account. You name the correct course.
It's a Druno so, a Drew Osman so. Meda say ya de dwuma de na si ye sorry adom dom na se tin koma china no pa obeti an kam gina di Luther King MCR guys ni be dam ase for say adwuma amabo ye sorry